Introducing the future of intelligent aerial systems, powered by innovation, precision, and autonomy. This is Oxygen 2 Innovation's Swarm Drone technology. Swarm drones are a group of intelligent drones that communicate and work together as a single system. Inspired by nature, they can perform complex missions efficiently and autonomously. Our advanced configuration includes 3 vertical and 3 horizontal drones, enabling multi-directional control, stability, and enhanced mission flexibility. With self-healing capability, the swarm adapts instantly if any drone fails. Combined with autonomous decision-making, it ensures mission continuity without human intervention. The system provides real-time feedback to the ground control station, integrated with advanced thermal imaging, enabling accurate detection, tracking, and monitoring even in low-visibility conditions. Oxygen 2 Innovation was proudly selected as one of the finalists in the prestigious Meher Baba competition for swarm drone technology. Visit our website and connect with Oxygen 2 Innovation. Step into the future of intelligent, mission-ready operations.